In this video, we will be demonstrating how to replace the engine rubber mounts on a TRL620D mini skid steer. These instructions only apply to revisions B2 and lower. For instructions on newer revisions, please watch the video that applies to those. Note that the models that don't have a revision stated here would also be compatible with these instructions. Raise the boom and open the hood. Open the front covers, side covers, and back covers. Disconnect and remove the battery. In the front, unhook this coolant container, remove these radiator brackets, and remove the radiator stopper if there is one. Remove the muffler pipe. Unbolt the fuel filter if it's mounted beside the engine. In the back, remove these radiator covers. Remove the radiator rubber mount bolts that are on the bottom of the radiator on both sides. Remove the top bolts for the engine rubber mounts. Using a hoist, forklift, or ratchet strap, slightly raise the engine. You will want to lift the engine from here. While raising the engine, have someone slightly shake it so that it won't catch on anything. Raise it until you see the bottom of the radiator mounts from this angle. From the back of the skid steer, loosen the rear engine rubber mount bolts using a 1/2 inch wrench on the bottom and a 1/2 inch socket with a ratchet on the top. From the front, do the same to the front engine mount bolts. You can get to these by reaching in beside the drive pump. You are now able to replace the mounts and put everything back in place.